Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen how we can use useEffect hooks for fetching information like this as we did in class component by using component did mount. So in this video we are going to learn how we can fetch selective data by using useEffect. For that we have to make some changes. So first of all, here I need to create state variable. So I say const name set name. On the basis of name I will fetch information, so state, and here we just pass as a string. Now I create one more state variable. I say user, then set user, and here we have use state. Here again we pass this. Now we have to create a text box here. So I say input type equal to text. Here I say value equal to name, and here I say on change we need to pass a function. I say change name, and I close this. Then I need one button also, so I say button on click, and we say fetch user function. Here we have, and I say fetch user like this. Now in place of fetch user, what I can do, I can do here also by using the arrow function. I say set user to say name. Okay, set user to the name. Now here we pass the property. I say user, or I say username to I say user like this. Now I need to create a function called change name. So I say const change name equal to then arrow function, and I say here set name, and here I say event dot target dot value. That event we will have here like this. Save this. Remember that we put here the things which we required: the text box value, the button which we require to send the information. Now what I do, I need here, so here I just copy this useEffect function, and here I just copy and paste it again, and here in condition I say user name. Here I am passing username, that I am sending from here as a property that is called username, and that property I want to fetch here. So I say that username that I required, we have property. Now in place of this URL I need to fetch the URL that having a name. So I just copy this and I fetch here like this, and here I use tilde operator just for running it properly, and here I use dollar, and here I say user name that I require here to fetch the information. And one more thing I want to do, here I need to check because it will generate error. If you will see, it will be error, so I need to check it is array or not. So I say array dot is array. If this users is array, then we need to call this like that, and I need to call one more like this. If I say not array dot is array, and we say this user is not an array, then I need tr to call this tr, and then I need to display these information like that. Copy, and I just paste here like this, and here I say users, here I say users, here I say users, and here I save this. So if it is not an array, then we have a single value. If it is array, we have this value. So try to do this, refresh it. So we having an error here. Now we have to check the error. What is the error? So referencing is the error. So that error is coming because I'm using here a destructuring without passing a variable. So I say props, and here I use props.username, no problem at all, and here I use props.username. By this way I will not destructure, and you see this running now. So here I pass Mojomo, that is the first user. I fetch it. You see the record is available. One record is coming, so I remove this again and I just refresh it. You see one more user we have. We just copy this, paste here, fetch. You see I have the information of this user also. So like this way I can use or fetch selective information as per I given in the property, and that property I send here in the conditional array block, and in this way we can fetch this information. Otherwise we can fetch this information, and here in the condition we can see if it is array. If it is array, then if it's not array we display single value. If it is array, then we can display multiple value. So like this way we can also use this useEffect hook for fetching selective informations by using AXIOS library get function. That's all in this video. If you really like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.